weather conditions can be tough on all of us, but imagine dealing with these frigid temperatures while living on the streets. Tonight we're learning of a new program that could help some of the homeless find a warm place to stay. News Channel 5's Bob Jones is live on 5 in downtown Akron tonight. And Bob, I understand a new phone line will be set up to help people who are homeless?
Well, that's right, Danita, and the program is so new it doesn't have a name yet, and that phone line probably won't be activated for a couple more months. But when volunteers hit the streets to count the homeless the other night in sub-zero wind chill temperatures, they realized there was a big need for help. 53-year-old Mark Cooper, an Army veteran, has been homeless for 6 years. He's been living at the Haven of Rest, an Akron shelter, for the past few months.
I always lived with my parents and everything. And when my mom died 6 years ago, I never knew how to live on my own and everything.
But many of the homeless are living on the streets, out in the cold. On Tuesday, one of the coldest nights in several years, volunteers with InfoLine and other social service agencies found about 150 people in the Akron area living under bridges, along railroad tracks, and in tents.
I know a guy, he just is up at the hospital right now. He just got pneumonia.
It's disheartening to know that there are folks out there that, regardless of circumstance in their life or wherever they are in their journey, are without safe, affordable housing.
InfoLine is hoping a new $120,000 federal grant will change that. Homeless folks will be able to call a phone number that will be a centralized clearinghouse, helping them get services, find a shelter, or better yet, a home.
I think what we'll see is that people will spend less time in the streets and in crisis. They'll spend less time in emergency shelters and in transitional housing programs.
Mark says the phone line is a great idea, and he plans to use it.
I don't know what I'm doing. I go day by day. I don't know how to get any help or nothing.
And Summit County gets about $4 million a year to help with the homeless. That is divided among several agencies, and this phone line could help several of those folks that are out on the streets. The hope is this phone line will be operational by March or April. On your side, live in Akron tonight, Bob Jones, News Channel 5.
Well, Bob, it sounds like a great idea, and it is definitely needed. Thanks so much.
Absolutely needed.
Mm-hmm.